Nature, the ultimate designer, has been crafting intricate systems for billions of years. Humanity is now learning to observe, understand, and replicate these marvels in our own technology. Imagine a world where our inventions are not just inspired by, but intimately intertwined with the natural world, where the genius of a gecko's foot or the resilience of a honeycomb structure isn't just admired, but emulated in our designs. This is not a world of the distant future, but the exciting reality of today. This is the realm of bio-inspired technology, a field that looks to the Earth's most seasoned engineer, Mother Nature, for inspiration and guidance. From the smallest microscopic organisms to the massive ecosystems that cover our planet, nature's wisdom is being harnessed to drive innovation, solve complex problems, and create a sustainable future. Welcome to our exploration of bio-inspired technology, where cutting-edge innovations take cues from the brilliance of nature. What exactly is bio-inspired technology? Simply put, it's the process of learning from and then emulating nature's designs and processes to solve human problems. Bio-inspired technology, also known as biomimicry, is the art and science of observing nature, understanding its ingenious solutions, and applying those principles to human-made designs. It's about looking at the marvels of the natural world and asking, how can we do that? One of the most impressive aspects of nature is its efficiency. Every organism, every process, every system is honed to perfection through millions of years of evolution. And it's this perfection that we aim to capture in our technology. Take Velcro, for example. This everyday item was inspired by the tiny hooks found on the seeds of the burdock plant. These hooks enable the seeds to hitch a ride on passing animals, ensuring their widespread dispersal. Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral observed this mechanism and replicated it to create the fastening system we now know as Velcro. Then there's the Kingfisher-inspired bullet train. Engineers faced a problem when designing high-speed trains in Japan. The trains were creating a loud boom when exiting tunnels due to the change in air pressure. By modeling the train's nose after the beak of a kingfisher, which dives from air into water with minimal splash, they were able to solve this problem. The result was a quieter, more efficient train that consumes 15% less electricity while traveling 10% faster. And these are just the tip of the iceberg. From the self-cleaning capabilities of lotus leaves inspiring water-repellent materials, to the swarm intelligence of ants leading to better algorithms and traffic management systems, nature is a treasure trove of innovation. The potential of bio-inspired technology is immense, and we've only just scratched the surface. Every leaf, every creature, every ripple in a pond holds a lesson waiting to be discovered. By observing nature's designs and processes, we can unlock a world of possibilities. So let's keep looking, keep learning, and keep innovating, inspired by the master designer herself, Mother Nature. Nature's designs are not just beautiful, they are efficient and sustainable. And these are exactly the qualities we want in our own designs. The world of design, whether it's architecture, materials, or structures, has been significantly influenced by nature's ingenuity. This is the essence of biomimicry and design, observing and imitating nature's strategies to solve human problems. Take, for instance, architecture. The Eastgate Center in Harare, Zimbabwe, is a prime example of biomimicry. This building's ventilation system is inspired by the self-cooling mounds of African termites. By imitating the termites' ingenious design, the Eastgate Center uses 90% less energy for ventilation, demonstrating the efficiency and sustainability of biomimicry. And it's not just about buildings. Biomimicry has also revolutionized the materials we use. Consider Velcro, a fastening technology we use almost daily. It was inspired by burdock burrs that clung to a Swiss engineer's dog during a hike. The engineer studied the burrs under a microscope and discovered a design of hooks that could be replicated for fastening purposes. Today, Velcro is a multi-million-dollar industry. Let's also look at the field of structural design. Have you ever wondered how the beehive can sustain so much weight? The hexagonal structure of a beehive is an example of nature's genius. This design distributes weight evenly, and it's a concept applied in many structural designs today, including bridges and buildings. These examples are a testament to the efficiency and sustainability of biomimicry. They show us how nature, with millions of years of evolution and adaptation, has already solved many of the design challenges we face. By learning from nature, we can create designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and sustainable. They can help us reduce energy consumption, minimize waste, and create a harmonious relationship between our creations and the natural world. By drawing inspiration from nature, we can create designs that are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and sustainable. Nature's influence doesn't stop at design, it extends into the realm of bionics and robotics, where nature's movements and functions guide our technological advancements. Bionics and robotics are fields that thrive on innovation, and what better teacher to turn to than nature itself? It's a fascinating world where art meets science, and the result is a technological marvel that is both efficient and elegant. Let's consider robotics. Robots are being designed to mimic the movements and functions of animals, giving them a level of versatility and adaptability that was previously unattainable. For instance, we have robots that can fly like birds, mimicking their flapping wings and aerodynamic structure. Others can crawl like a gecko, using the same principles of adhesion that allow these creatures to climb walls. Then there's the field of bionics, a branch of technology that uses biological systems as a model for designing and engineering devices that can replace and enhance human abilities. A classic example is the development of prosthetics. Prosthetic limbs have evolved to become much more than just a replacement for a lost limb. They're now designed to replicate the movements and functions of the original limb as closely as possible, giving the user a level of functionality that's as close to natural as we can get. This is all thanks to bioinspiration. By studying and understanding the mechanics of how animals move, we can apply those principles to create devices that are efficient, practical, and in harmony with the human body. But this is just the beginning. The field of bionics and robotics is continually evolving, and as we deepen our understanding of nature, we'll continue to see more advancements. From bionic eyes that could restore sight to the blind, to exoskeletons that can help paraplegics walk again, the possibilities are endless. As we continue to learn from nature, the possibilities for advancements in medical technology are limitless. Nature, in its infinite wisdom, continues to be our greatest teacher, guiding us towards a future where technology and biology harmoniously coexist. Nature operates on a cycle of renewal, reusing and recycling resources. This is a model we can learn from to create sustainable solutions in our own industries. Bio-inspired technology is at the forefront of sustainable innovations, with potential applications in various sectors. Looking to nature's time-tested strategies, we can develop solutions that are not only efficient, but also respect the balance of our ecosystems. Consider energy production. Solar panels, for instance, are a brilliant example of mimicking nature. They imitate the way plants use photosynthesis to convert sunlight into energy. This process, known as photovoltaic energy conversion, is a clean and renewable source of power that significantly reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. In the realm of transportation, bio-inspired designs are making waves. The concept of streamlined shapes, inspired by the sleek bodies of birds and fish, has revolutionized aerodynamics. This has led to the creation of faster, more fuel-efficient vehicles, aircraft, and even high-speed trains. When it comes to materials, bio-inspiration has led to breakthroughs in creating sustainable alternatives. For example, mycelium, the root structure of mushrooms, has inspired the development of biodegradable packaging and building materials. It's an innovation that could help us reduce our dependency on plastics and other non-recyclable materials. Even in waste management, nature provides a blueprint. Termites, known for their impressive mound structures, have inspired ventilation systems that use natural airflows to reduce energy consumption. This biomimetic design has potential applications in managing waste and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Bio-inspired technology is not just about mimicking nature, but also about understanding and respecting its principles. It's about creating systems that work with nature rather than against it, promoting a balance between human activity and the environment. By combining the ingenuity of human innovation with the wisdom of nature, we can pave the way for a more sustainable future. As we continue to explore and develop this exciting field, we may find that the solutions to many of our most pressing environmental challenges have been around us all along, waiting to be discovered in the natural world. Bio-inspired technology holds the key to addressing many of our environmental challenges. From design to robotics to sustainability, bio-inspired technology is shaping our world in incredible ways. We've journeyed through the fascinating realm of bio-inspired technology, exploring its definition, its influence on design and its profound impact on bionics and robotics. We've seen how this innovative approach breathes life into everyday items, transforming them from mundane to extraordinary. We've discovered how the principles of biomimicry are being harnessed to create breathtaking architecture, efficient materials, and sustainable solutions. We've dived into the world of bionics and robotics, marveling at how the movements and functions of animals are being replicated in cutting-edge technology. And we've seen how bioinspired technology is not just about mimicking nature, but also about learning from it to create sustainable solutions for our environmental challenges. As we continue to learn from nature, remember to look for the marvels of bio-inspired technology in your everyday life. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.